Hi, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to delete accessories in Roblox. So right here is the home page of my Roblox. Click on the more option found at the bottom of the screen. Click on Marketplace. So you just have to scroll gently and click on accessories. So these are a list of accessories that we'll have here. You can click on any of this accessory and you'll notice that for now Roblox has not provided option to delete accessory, though in 2023 we had option for deleting accessory in Roblox, but for now Roblox removed the option and for now it has not been replaced, or it has not be updated again. So guys, that is it on how to delete accessories in Roblox. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.